In this video, we will learn how to create manual chart in Excel sheet. Let's see. Okay, this my Excel sheet. I already create here the manual chart. You can see here. This I'm not using any chart option from Excel sheet. Okay, just create manually. Okay, created it manually. So let's see how it's done. This is a small table. Okay, I just use here one function. Repeat, then tap semicolon, then use this sign semicolon, comma, and select this cell and just enter. Now just this function is copy paste to all cell below cell. You can see here the chart is created. Now you just use here font size. I will show you here which font size you show your chart. Okay, so I just use this font size. You can use any other also for showing the chart diagram. Okay, now select this. I just want to change color. Okay, let's that's it. Chart is ready. Now you can use the conditional formatting to showing the some condition. For example, I show the condition if any marks is greater than 80, then color is a different on cell. Greater than 80 is different color. Okay, this condition we will apply on this chart also. Okay, let's see how it's done. First select the chart, then click on the conditional formatting, click on the new rule, click on the use a formula to determine which cell to format, then click here is equal to, click on the cell and remove this dollar sign first. Okay, remove it. Okay, then is equal to, sorry, greater than is equal to 80. Okay, greater than 80 marks will highlight it. Format, which color you need to highlight of greater than 80, green color. Click on OK. You can see here greater than 80 marks is highlighted with green color. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.